Hello, everyone. Today I'm very excited about our 34th interview from the ToolSense interview series Workshop Talks. I'm Jennifer and I'm responsible for the communication at ToolSense. And our guest today is Gábor Facskó, Head of Soft Facility Management Services at Dussmann Hungary. And then, like always, I would like to introduce Alexander Manafi, CEO and co-founder of ToolSense. Mr. Facskó, perhaps you could tell us a few sentences about yourself and Dussmann. Where are you based? How many employees do you have? And what solutions do you provide?
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm Gábor Facskó. I'm responsible for the software family in Hungary and joined the Dussmann team 2.5 years ago. The Dussmann is operating in the Hungarian market since 1991, so more than 30 years. We provide 4 service lines: the software firm, hardware firm, the catering, and the security. And to summarize, we have more than 1,300 employees. So I think we are a huge FM company in Hungary.
Thank you very much. Then we are already at our first question. How did you first get in touch with ToolSense?
It's very interesting because Dussmann is operating in 14 countries, and we usually share all the informations and good solutions. And one of them, Dussmann country, suggested the ToolSense, and after that we contact with the ToolSense about this topic.
Really interesting. Thank you. And Mr. Facskó, how did you work in asset management and safety checks prior to ToolSense? What were the challenges?
It's very interesting because we have existing processes for the asset management, the safety checks, or anything else. Unfortunately, it's operating with different systems, and for example, the asset booking, the inventories, yearly checks, what else? And it's take more time than we would like it. If we want like to make reports or anything else, it take more time than we would like to. So we would like to find the best solution and try to find a complex system. The complex system which could handle all the processes and data. So that was the biggest challenges for us. And after that, the ToolSense was come.
Thank you. And why did you decide for a partnership with ToolSense? Where do you see the added value that ToolSense can bring?
As I mentioned, we try to find the best solution for us, for the assets and the service costs. How can the big question? How can we manage it? And after that, when we saw the ToolSense system and we realized how complex is this system, we found all the function in one system which can manage all our needs. That was the first decision about a test, and after the test we step forward. So we see the added value in the system because it's a complex which can handle every information.
That sounds already really good. What is your vision for the partnership between Dussmann and ToolSense?
Oh, okay. We have we had a lot of meeting with Alex and their colleagues. I think we operating nearly 1 year, and we saw how can we work together. I think this partnership and the common purpose is a key element in this case, and it was very important. So my vision, our long-term plan, that we would like to extend this system in Hungary. So extend it for not just one division, all the division, if it's possible, of course. But we have a lot of work before this.
Thank you very much. And you already named some interesting points, but what are the situations in which ToolSense can help you in your operations? Where can you save time and money?
Okay, of course, that's my personal opinion. The strength of the system that it can summarize different information from our assets and our maintenance cost and a lot of things, yearly checks and etc. And that's a key point because we can make reports from assets from each site with service cost, and after that we can make decision easily. So I think this is the strength point of this system, and the second, we can set up reminders for example the preventive maintenance or inventory, and it's very useful, of course, and the system can handle the QR codes. So when we use any QR codes, we can collect information very easily and very fast. So that's the reason why we believe that we can save time, of course, money. So it's an efficient software and efficient system. So that's my opinion, of course.
That sounds really good. And Mr. Facskó, where do you see the status quo of digitalization in the facility management industry, and what do you think will change within the next 10 years?
Yes. If I know the truth, I will be the next CEO. But of course, it's very interesting and a very good question. The biggest chance, I think nowadays, the providers use many different softwares. For example, the CAFM softwares, fleet care systems, or every checking systems, cleaning, security, and what else. And we can measure all the consumption, energy, water, paper, what else. And of course, every service provider tries to find the best solution to summarize all the data and can provide information or reporting to the customers. Anyway, all the customers want to see a lot of details from our services. So I think this direction nowadays, is going to the complex system. So every providers, I think, searching like us, and the market will be, I think, handle all the demand, and I think in the next 10 years we will see more and more complex supporting systems which can handle complex informations that includes the ESG elements like water, energy usage, chemical usage, work time, and anything else. So I hope it will be ready within 10 years.
Yeah, really interesting. Thank you. Alexander, would you like to add anything here?
Yeah, thanks. I mean, what's quite, let's say, what's quite important for us is like facility management itself is like an incredibly stressful field, I think. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and also the site managers, they have like really super busy work lives, and also it's they're always going from A to B to the next point, and a lot of stuff is going on. So we have a lot of respect for the site managers and the work they do. And what we also saw, right, is like Gábor said, there's a lot of equipment being used, and it's quite opaque in some regards. What do we even have? Where is it? What's going on? Then also there's like maintenance, safety, inspection routines that need to be done, also for legal purposes. That also needs to be kept track of. Then also, is the machines really used the best way as it could be, the most economically efficient way? So we try to at least, take away one piece and bring structure and order into this, and make lives for the site managers a bit easier, and and help increase efficiency. And we did that here, I think, and to some extent also with the information. Then also what we did was with some IoT devices like this, where we installed this into some machines. And yeah, that was quite good, I think. And the second point that was great here is that we have 2 team members from Hungary that are Hungarian, that also basically visited the team and helped with the training and the onboarding. And I think that was also quite important. And also there we had really good feedback from the team on site, which was great. And yeah, and we're also very happy and eagerly looking forward to the next steps. Also, especially as Gábor said, there's additional fields like hard FM, landscaping, food service, etc. Where like there's a lot of application and potential for ToolSense. So yeah, we are eagerly looking forward to that together.
Yeah. Thank you. Hope we will hope, of course.
Thank you. Then we already reached the end. Thank you very much for this exciting exchange. I was very pleased that you, Mr. Facskó, were here today, and perhaps we will hear from each other again very soon.
Thank you very much.